water sharing dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu has intensified after the Cauvery Water Management Authority upheld the recommendation of the Cauvery Water Regulation Committee and directed Karnataka to release 3,500 cusecs of Cauvery water per day to Tamil Nadu for 15 days starting from July 29th. The order has been seen as a setback for Karnataka, which is facing severe drought conditions, inadequate rainfall, and declining reservoir levels. The Karnataka government has said that drinking water requirements must be given priority and announced that it will legally challenge the CWMA order after consulting the Advocate General, legal experts, and senior officials. The decision has triggered protests across Karnataka. Farmers' organizations and pro-Kannada groups staged demonstrations in Mandya, Mysuru, Ramanagara, and other Cauvery Basin districts, demanding that water should not be released to Tamil Nadu as Karnataka itself is facing a shortage. In Mandya, activists tore posters of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Joseph Vijay film Jananayagan, and one screening was disrupted during the protest. Pro-Kannada activist Pravin Shetty said that a Karnataka Bandh was necessary to protect the state's interests. Meanwhile, Karnataka Rakshana Vedike President T.A. Narayanagowda has taken a different stand, stating that Bandh could cause economic losses. Instead, he proposed a Delhi Chalo protest at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi and urged the Karnataka government to stop releasing water, referring to the strong stance taken by former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda and former Chief Minister S.M. Krishna during earlier disputes. Karnataka has also invited Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Joseph Vijay for an aerial survey of Cauvery reservoirs. A meeting between D.K. Shivakumar and Joseph Vijay is scheduled in Bengaluru on August 3rd to discuss the water sharing issue and Karnataka's drought concerns. Meanwhile, the centre informed Parliament that the Supreme Court's final Cauvery judgment does not require Karnataka to obtain Tamil Nadu's consent for new construction projects across the Cauvery River. This clarification has renewed discussions over Karnataka's Mekedatu balancing reservoir project. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.